Let me ask you something. Have you ever sat there late at night staring at the ceiling and wondering why I am not there where I want to be? Maybe it's your career, your relationship, or just you feel about yourself. You see other guy out there crushing it, living the life you want, and it's eat you. You think what they have that I don't. I know that feeling because I was there too. I was stuck, broke, and frustrated, and blaming everything around me, but not myself. But let me tell you the reality. The problem isn't the world, your boss, or even your situation. The problem is you, your mindset. Look, I am not here to tell you to stay positive or it's okay who you are, because it's not. I am here to tell you the truth that will help you to grow. The mindset you should have to own right now is you need to win, whether it is your career, your relationship, or your life. You don't need any luck, talent, or anyone approval. You need to change just the way you think. Let me take you back to the moment when everything changed for me. I was 25-year-old, broke, and honestly, I was ashamed where I was. I have been blaming everything around me except myself, my job, my education, my parents for why I am not successful yet. One night, I was sitting in my car after the job that I hate. I looked at myself and said, "This can't be me. I hate myself." I felt like I was drowning in my own excuse. Then my dad looked at me and said something that I never forget. He said, "Son, you can either spend your life blaming everything around you or you can take responsibility and do something. But no one is going to save you. No one." At first, I wanted to argue. I wanted to tell him he didn't understand how hard it was. But deep down, I knew he was right. That night, I made a decision. I was done waiting for life to change. I was done waiting for some miracle that will change my life. I was done waiting that someone gonna come and change it for me. I was done waiting. You should too. So here's the lesson. Excuses are the worst enemy. Nobody care about your excuse. You either winner or loser. No one really care about you. Not the world, not your friends, or not even your parents. It's hard, but it is. For years, I was blamed everything around me for why I wasn't there where I want to be. I tell myself that I am unlucky or I don't have right opportunity. But here's the thing. Blaming doesn't solve anything. It just keeps you stuck. The moment I stopped blaming everything and started taking my full responsibility, my life began to change. Point number 2. Discipline over motivation. Everyone loves to talk about motivation, but let me tell you the truth. Motivation is unreliable. In some days, you will fired up and ready to crush it, and other days, you won't even want to get out from the bed. That's just how it is. But discipline is what keeps you going. It's getting up early to hit the gym, even when you are tired. It's putting in the work on your side hustle after a long day. Discipline is doing the hard thing, even when you are not feel like to be. Motivation is the spark, but discipline is the engine. So stop working with right mood and start working on right need. The faster you will get discipline, the faster you will get progress. Point number 3. Your environment shapes you. Listen me carefully. You are the average of 5 people who you spend most time with. I was surrounded by the people who didn't want to grow, who didn't want to do anything in life. We had spent weekends drinking, watching movies, and just wasting time. And guess what? I became just like them. It doesn't work out for me until I cutted them out and start surrounding with winners through book, podcast, and mentors. Then I began to real change. Your environment can either pull you up or drag you down. Look around you. What is your environment? Think about your mindset. If it's set to be average, you will stay at that level, no matter how hard you work. But if you reset it for the growth, then you can live the life you want. The truth is, life don't change with chance. It changes by choice. And the choice is yours. So, what you gonna become? A loser who doesn't want anything and accept it's okay who you are? Or a winner who lives the life like everyone wish? A winner who have loving family, a bank balance and a beautiful loyal partner? Choice is yours. This is not just a video. It's a part of our community. We are building a brotherhood who refuse to settle to be average. If you are with me, then join me. Let's do it together. Bye.